You. Oh, I'm not down yet. Why am I gonna take so long? There we go. Alright, press 2 again, but make sure you press 2 again while you're setting up the other one.
I know, that's what I'm doing. I just used 8. There's 8 right here with me.
Oh wait, you can use like multiple
Oh shoot! We're going sideways. Look at my thing, there's like 1,000,000 of them. Oh shoot! Dude! Whoa! Look at all the rockets in the air. Oh! Oh shit! Stand up.
Look, I just put 5 down.
User was moved out of your channel.
I'm at the Taco Bell. I'm over here. I'm at the combination Pizza Hut and Taco Bell. Where you at? I don't see you. I'm at the Pizza Hut.
Taco Bell on Jamaica Avenue.
Jamaica Avenue. That's where I'm at. Where you at? Jamaica Avenue. That's where I'm at. I don't see you, you dog. I'm at the Pizza Hut. I'm at the Taco Bell. I'm at the Taco Bell.
This is the best one yet.
Smoke.
So much lag.
So close.
Watch it kill me.
Oh, they all.
Oh shoot! What the hell was that? They all flew up in my face. Did you see that? Oh!
Did everyone just have that happen to you?
It's on fire. Oh shoot! It's because you pushed V right when it was trying to take off. Oh, there it goes. Oh, they blow up. You see that? They blow up when you shoot them. Oh my gosh. Dude. They're gonna shoot that guy over there.
Since one has died, GC.
This is nuts. Holy crap.
See, I can't tell. Is that DOA talking now?
Stan. Holy crap.
Now, like, to the mic.
Oh, crap, I can't.
Stan was killed by Ryan.
This is DOA.